This is a quick review of how to look at a graph and count the slope. So 2 quick reminders. Number 1, we always read from left to right. Then a slope is found by taking the rise over the run. Okay, now this rise can sometimes also be a fall. Okay, so it can rise or fall. So if we start at the left and head to the right, so we're going to rise or fall first. In this case, we're going to fall 2 and run 4. Okay, so we fall 2 and run 4. So in our case here, because we fell, it's going to be a negative 2 over 4, and you can leave it like that. It would also be equivalent to negative 1/2. Okay, I know I'm on the right track as well because I know just from looking at it, it should be a negative slope. And in fact, we did have a negative 1/2. On this figure, again, going from left to right, it would have to go up 1 and to the right 2. Okay, so it would rise 1 and run 2. And that is simplified, so my slope is 1/2. Just looking at the graph, I could tell this is going to be positive. It's going to be a positive slope, and I can tell my calculation here, my counting, turned out to be a positive 1/2 as well. Okay, left to right, it rose 0, so it didn't go up at all, or down, and then it ran 3. 0 divided by 3 is 0, and if you don't believe me, check your calculator. Okay, so this is a 0 slope. Okay, this one here, you can go either way, but we fell 1 and we ran 0. However, we cannot have 0 in the denominator. This is undefined. Okay, and if you're in doubt, type it in your calculator. It'll give you an error. It'll say either like syntax error, or it'll say can't divide by 0. Okay, that is an undefined slope.